All right, welcome back. So we're going to, let me stop the program here a second. We're going to talk about decimal numbers now in Python. So before we talked about integers or whole numbers, and so let's say we want to ask a user for a number, and we're going to go ahead and we'll use num again. And if we were going to do an input, we would then say please enter a number. Okay. Well, this is obviously an integer, a whole number. Pretty simple, easy way to fix this if we were looking for a decimal number, because if we do something with this number, if we end up having to change it in any way, or maybe we add them together, it's not going to keep that integer value. You won't do anything with it. It won't. If we use a decimal number when we put this in there, it's just going to drop the decimal. They call it just drops that decimal point off. And so if we want to have a decimal number, we want to utilize that decimal number, then we need to change this. So instead of an integer, what we're going to do is we're going to change this to float. Now, different languages call this different, a different term. You might have Java that calls it a double or whatever. Different languages reference this differently. So I'm actually going to take two of these. We're going to add them together. So we have num1, and we're going to call this float, and it's going to look for an input, and please enter a number. So it's going to enter a decimal number. Let's change this. Okay. So that'll just show up over here on the screen, right over here. Let's say we want to do 2.5, and it would do that. And then if we wanted to print this off, if we're going to print num1, and we're going to run this 2.5, there's your decimal number. Okay. Same thing if we did this. Let's just change this a second and make this an integer. Back to this a second. So if we run the code and we did 2.5, it's going to give us an error, just so you understand, like integer is just a whole number. So if we do want to do decimal numbers, we do need to change this to float. Okay. So there's our float, and we're going to do another one of these right here. So we're going to call this num2, and we're going to do another float. Oops. Okay. So we can do a couple different things with these. I think the easiest thing is we're going to just add them together. Okay. Again, as we talked about in previous videos, later on we'll get into more in depth with this, but we're not changing the values of these, okay? We're just adding them together. And really that number is not being used as anything right now. If we wanted to add them together and then utilize that number, we would want to make another variable that we add them together. But in this case, we're just going to run this. We're going to look for two numbers. And let's do 2.5 again. And you get 5.0. And notice you get the 0.0 here because it's displaying a decimal number. Okay. Now, if we wanted to, if you wanted to take this number and we wanted to do something with it later on, we could do that. Maybe we want to do a num3. And in this instance, we're going to actually have it do a calculation for us. And we're going to say that it's going to be the sum of num1 and num2. And then if we print this off, we're just going to print num3. So what happens here now is num1 and num2 are being taken in as inputs. They're going to be floats. We're going to add them together, and num3 is going to become that sum of those two numbers. And then we're going to print num3. So let's take a look and see how our code works here. Let's do 2.6. And there's 5.1. So this is kind of how you use decimal numbers in Python. You really have to use the float command right here. So this tells it that the memory location that you're going to assign this to is going to take in a decimal number. Really is useful in your program if you really want to make sure that it's a decimal number. Obviously you put in float there, and as we've seen, if we try entering something that's not what we want, the enter text or whatever, it's going to get an error. It will accept a like if we just enter 2 here, and then do like 2.5. So even though this is a whole number that we entered here, in Python it actually took that number and it said that it's 2.0. And if we hit enter after this, it should pop up with 4.5, and it does. So when we do that, you can enter an integer here, but it's actually taking that number in as a decimal number. So if we enter 2, it actually sees it as 2.0, and then this is 2.5. So it's taking these two numbers, we're adding them together, and then we're just going to print those off. Okay, and you can subtract with this too. You can do a lot of different things. Hopefully that helps, and good luck with your coding.